Hello, welcome to the Mike AI Lab channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create videos using VideoGen AI. This app has just been updated with a new feature that allows you to add an MC presenter to your videos to make them more dynamic. Let's start by watching a sample video I created using VideoGen AI.
Welcome to our channel. Today I will share you how to make money online. Let's get started. Looking to make real money online in 2025 without the hype? Here are 10 legitimate ways to get started, backed by the latest trends. First, freelancing remains a top choice. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal connect skilled professionals in writing, design, and tech with clients worldwide. And the freelance market is booming as businesses seek specialized talent. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
After watching, are you interested in making a video like that? If so, just follow the steps below. Step 1. Click the link in the comment section of this video to access the VideoGen AI website. Step 2. Log in using your Google account. Step 3. Once you're inside, click Create a Video to start. Next, you'll choose one of 3 resource options. Please note that options 2 and 3 require an upgraded account. I'll choose the first option for this example. Now, select the video speed: fast, medium, slow, or very slow. Next, I will choose the video frame: portrait, square, or landscape. I will select the landscape frame to create a long-form video for YouTube. A box will appear where you can enter a title for your video. There are also suggested titles available. I used ChatGPT to generate attractive video titles. I'll pick one of them to use in this example. Paste your selected title, then choose the language for your video. Next, select the desired script length. Then, click the red arrow to generate the script. Once the script is ready, click Generate Video again to produce the video. Now the video has been created. Let's check it out.
Looking to make real money online in 2025 without the hype? Here are 10 legitimate ways to get started, backed by the latest trend.
The video doesn't have an intro or outro yet, so I'll add them. I will add an intro section. Click the 3 dots here, select Insert Section above, and then add the script for the intro. For the outro, I'll add 8 seconds at the end so I can include a video suggestion on the end screen. The script is a bit long, so I'll divide it into sections for easier editing. The intro is short, so I'll add a few sentences to improve it. If you want to change the voice, click here.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for any.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
To apply any updates you've made, click Generate All Changes. You can also change scenes in your video. For example, I'll update the scene in the intro.
Welcome to our channel. Today I will share you how to make money online. Let's
In this new version of VideoGen AI, you can add an MC avatar to your video. However, this feature is only available with a business plan upgrade. To improve the appearance of your video, you can also change the colors in the intro. Next, I will choose the subtitle style that will appear in the video.
Without the hype. Here are 10 legitimate ways to get started.
And select background music.
Backed by the latest trends. First, freelancing remains a top choice.
After you finish editing, click Export to process your video. But remember, exporting requires an upgraded account. There are two upgrade options, Pro and Business. The business plan offers more features, such as increased storage capacity and the ability to add AI avatars. To unlock all features, I'll choose the business plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you'll get 50% off. For now, I'll select the monthly business plan to try it out. If it works well, I might switch to the yearly plan later to save money. You can also use a discount code from this video's description to get a better price. After applying the code, I'll complete the payment process. Once the payment is done, I return to the video I just created.
Welcome to our channel. Today,
Now I will click on Share and select Download to export the video. You can wait for the export to finish and download the video or do other tasks. Once it's done, you'll receive a notification email. Just open it to download your video.
welcome to our channel. Today, I will share you how to make money online. Welcome to our channel. Today's choice. Platforms like e-learning demand surging. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make monetizing your additional options include affiliate marketing.
Now that the video is downloaded, I'll go back and add an avatar to make it more lively.
Money online in 2025 without content creation on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offers income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise as brands crave authentic voices. Additional options include affiliate marketing.
You can choose which sections of the video the avatar should appear in. After adding the avatar, I'll export the video again. Now, the final video includes the avatar.
Welcome to our channel. Today I will share you how to make money online. Welcome to our channel. Today I will share you how to make money online. Let's get started. Looking to make real money online in 2025 without the hype? Market is booming through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise as brands crave authentic voices. Stock photography, genuine. Thank you for watching. Don't design and sell expertise easier. Ultimate ways to get looking to make real money online in
Do you like the result? Visit the link in the comment to explore VideoGen AI for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.